The future according to AI. What's coming in 2025? Various AI models have looked ahead to 2025, and while their predictions don't always align, there are some interesting patterns worth exploring. Here's what they see coming. AI and technology. 2025 appears to be the year of AI's second wave, where AI assistants move beyond basic text to tackle video editing and 3D content creation. There's an interesting counter-trend predicted too, a potential pushback against excessive AI personalization that could spark a digital minimalism movement. Quantum computing will make modest steps forward in error correction and qubit stability, though nothing revolutionary. Augmented reality glasses will see wider testing, but companies still need to crack the code on making them practical for everyday use. The rollout of 5G networks continues, enabling better connected devices and smarter city infrastructure. In health technology, companies like Apple and Garmin will introduce continuous blood glucose monitoring in their wearable devices, particularly appealing to users with diabetes or prediabetes. Business and economy. The financial landscape is shifting digital in 2025. China and the EU are testing digital versions of their currencies, while cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum might find new purpose as reserve assets in developing economies. Supply chains are being reorganized as companies shift production to allied or friendly countries, though the world's major economies will likely remain connected. Tech giants like Amazon could face stricter antitrust regulations, potentially leading to corporate breakups. Remote work continues to evolve with new collaboration tools, though companies still struggle with productivity and culture challenges. The green economy shows promise, with new ventures in carbon capture, renewable energy, and biodegradable materials, though some major brands may face backlash over greenwashing claims. Science and research. Medical science looks promising, with CRISPR genetic therapy trials showing potential, especially for sickle cell disease. Space exploration advances as NASA and SpaceX collaborate on longer missions, laying groundwork for Mars exploration in the 2030s. The mRNA technology platforms developed during COVID-19 are being tested for cancer vaccines, though outcomes remain uncertain. Fusion energy research continues, but won't reach practical commercialization. Environment and climate. Global carbon emissions might finally plateau, driven by increased electric vehicle adoption and renewable energy use in China, India, and the United States. However, water scarcity could worsen in the Middle East and parts of Africa, potentially triggering population movements. Europe and North America are launching rewilding projects to restore biodiversity in damaged areas. Carbon capture projects are expanding, but won't reach the scale needed for meaningful climate impact. Cities worldwide are following successful examples by implementing low-emission zones and congestion pricing to reduce urban pollution and traffic. Entertainment and media. The creative world faces significant change as AI enters the picture not just as a tool, but as a creative partner in music and video production. Streaming services may consolidate, exploring new pricing models based on content exclusivity and ad preferences. Science fiction dominates cinema, particularly exploring AI's philosophical implications. Music could see a split, with AI-generated content growing while some artists move toward more stripped-down, authentic sounds. Virtual production techniques will spread through TV and film, though costs limit widespread adoption. Gaming moves toward letting players play the same games across different devices like phones, consoles, and computers, with more cloud streaming options, though many areas still won't have fast enough internet to fully use these features. Wildcards. Beyond these main categories, several other predictions emerge. US-China relations might improve, particularly around climate change and global health initiatives. The African Union's cross-border trade efforts could begin showing results. Trade tensions between the US and China might ease, though other conflicts could escalate in Eastern Europe, the South China Sea, and cybersecurity domains. Education sees more AI-powered learning tools and virtual reality in classrooms. Mental health concerns grow, with rising rates of anxiety, depression, and burnout. Traditional retail continues declining, though specialty and artisan goods find their niche. A push and pull develops between worldwide digital culture and local traditional practices, with some people embracing global connectivity while others return to traditional crafts and local community activities. Looking back and looking forward, only time will tell how accurate these AI predictions turn out to be. Join us again in December 2025 as we evaluate which of these forecasts hit the mark and which missed, and explore what AI models predict for 2026. The future may be uncertain, but it's always fascinating to see how our visions of it evolve.